All right, here we go. Here's the results. So I just finished up my body fat test. This is my scale here. So the weight, we're only going to focus on three numbers, really, to be honest with you. The first one is going to be weight. My weight's at 199.4 right now. As you can see, 20 days ago, I was at 199.6. We're going to talk about BMI. So this is really just a height to weight ratio. I'm at 25.6 right now. Pretty sure that means I'm overweight. Awesome. And then this is my body fat percentage. So I'm at 14.4% right now. As you can see, 20 days ago, I was at 13.7. So I am killing this quarantine 15. Anyhow, I guess we'll look at maybe this muscle percentage too, 41.1%. I'm not going to really focus on that too much, but we may come back to that. So biggest things we're looking at again, 199.4 pounds, basically 200 pounds, 25.6 BMI, and then a body fat percentage of 14.4. All right, let's go learn.